Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Ulike app. You will click on settings as you see, and you can click. Here in this page you can go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Ulike and you will enter. Here in this page you can go to first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. After that you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe soon.